Move on into 12137 50th Street in Beacon Heights, Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. You're going to want to take this tour with me, Karen Stanko with Remax, while I show you through this stunning showstopper of a fully renovated home. Even with barn feature wall with salvaged wood, it has a soaring ceiling, cathedral ceiling, and also a sunroom that is right beside the large living space. This home is perfect for an investor or for a homeowner that has a growing family, as it has large bedrooms and different style of home with different types of living spaces so that the growing family can move around and have their own privacy, but also has a large central kitchen and dining room area. As you move on upstairs, all 3 bedrooms are spacious and airy, and there has been newer windows added. Everything is move-on ready for you to enjoy. There is a lot of upgrades that have went on this property over the years, including new gutters, fascia, soffits in 2021. There is a brand new hot water tank and 2 high-efficiency furnaces that were put in 2017, and the shingles are quite new as well. There has been new luxurious vinyl plank flooring added, and the primary bedroom is spacious and airy, and it even has his and her closets for the husband and wife to enjoy. As you move on downstairs, you will notice on the main floor the unique floor plan that allows a growing family to grow and move around throughout this home. There is a central kitchen that has been fully upgraded, even has a gas range. And right adjacent to it is a large dining room that once was a bedroom and could be converted back into it. There's also a corner area for a large pantry storage area off of the kitchen. And then as you continue to move on through the property, you'll notice a really cool feature that you will want in a family home. It has a side wing with a fully renovated 3-piece bathroom, as well as a sitting area and a bedroom. So this space can be used as an office or as a Airbnb. It has its own entrance off the street, so it has privacy and is currently being used as a massage therapy studio. As you move downstairs, it has been fully finished for your enjoyment, including luxurious vinyl plank flooring. It has 9-foot-high ceilings and 2 additional spacious bedrooms down here. Large and spacious, it is ideal for any family, and it can be converted back to a side-by-side duplex if need be. It is close to all amenities and also close to walking trails and close to all shopping and the Yellowhead Freeway, so that commuting is a breeze. It has a very nice cedar finishings on the exterior and 2 large yards, one on the front and one on the back. Make this yours today. Karen Stanko with Remax. Thanks for joining me on this tour.